Well, good morning, everyone. Tamara Lee Ulmer, Arizona Resource Realty, and I am out here in Tonto Village, Arizona today, 263 Standage Drive, Payson, Arizona, actually, zip code 85541, but Tonto Village is located 17 miles to the east of Payson. So I'm getting ready to walk you through this newest listing, and it is horse property. So it is on a lot out here that is zoned for horses. As you can see, they had a corral here, and there's a little small tack room right there. Really a beautiful, rare property, large lot out here, 0.39 acres. Let's go ahead and take you for a tour. But first, I want to show you this. This says the Shelby School, founded in 1982 by Stephen and Trina Kemp, dedicated to Shelby Galloway, February 27, 1995. And it says it depends on the house that you live in. And so at one time, this property appears to me that it was a school of some sort. And you can kind of see that, as I'm going to show you when we walk around the sides. There's definitely signs of that. But let's go ahead and take a look inside. So first of all, very, very spacious inside. Needs finished. A lot of things need finished in here. You can see that it's just really a big open plan. And moving over into the kitchen, 2,300 plus square feet. So you've got a lot of square footage for the price here. But you know, it's a diamond in the rough. We're walking into what I would consider one of the main bedrooms, lower level main bedroom. And it does have a door that goes out front and two double closets there. And then walking into the utility room, should have the lights on in here for you. So large utility room, right? Washer dryer hookup looks like right there. They started remodeling this room, and I just really love the way it started to look here. And then we have one bathroom in this home, and here it is. You can see they were in the process, it looks like, of doing a remodel. And so there's a lot of stuff that can be finished in here. Perfect for a investor or fix and flip. Because yeah, it's definitely priced right, priced to sell, priced for someone to make some money. There's like a pantry or a walk-in closet there. And now moving over to this other bedroom here. Let's see. Well, it doesn't really have a closet, so we're gonna call this a den. You could definitely have room right there in the corner to put in a closet, but for the most part. But as you can see, there's stuff that needs to be addressed, right? We specialize in these type of properties that need a lot of care, that are perfect opportunities for people who have the time and energy and money to invest in repairing the bones and making potential profit here. So let's go ahead and walk upstairs. When I say potential, I mean you're gonna fix it and have some profit. Okay, so large room number 3 has the shelving for a closet. Directly across, large room number 2 or 4 actually. So 3 bedroom, 1 bathroom, and a den. Lots of storage in these side bins here. And then this appears to be a bathroom where a bathroom was once maybe plumbed. You could do whatever you wanted to, but yeah, I definitely see the plumbing where a bathroom once was. So potential for 2 bedrooms there, if all the plumbing is still intact. I'm not fond of stairs, honestly, but for myself, but these could they could be made really nice. So there you go. Yeah, it is a really nice, large home with some history. Let's take you outside. Again, they were using this as a tack room. It could be used for storage shed or whatever you wanted to use it for. And I'm just gonna take you down so you can see the full view of this. So we've got a built-in basketball hoop right here. And let's take a look. So there you go. As you can see, the tile, I believe it's tile or stone, right there actually says school on it. So that's pretty rustic. And then it has, quite a bit going on around here. Beautiful trees on the property for sure. I wish it was more into summer where these were all just beautiful green trees. But there's the side of the home, and then there's a built-in water faucet here. I mean, you could just do a lot with this property if you have a good imagination. And so let's give you a tour from the side there. Okay, so as you can see, very unique home located in a very unique area, Tonto Village, surrounded by National Forest, and it's priced to sell right now at $320,000. So if you're interested, please give us a call, 928-474-2550. Thank you, and I hope you guys have an amazing day.